How to set up WeChat Pay without Chinese bank account. Now, the first thing you want to do is if you already do not have a WeChat account, you're going to want to create one. But once you are actually on the WeChat app, from here what you want to do is in the bottom right hand corner, you want to click on the Me option. Now, doing that, you just want to go to the Services option right here. Then you just want to click on the Wallet feature in the top right hand corner. And once you're on this page, all you have to do is you click on Bank Cards, and you just want to click on the Add a Bank Card option. Now, once it loads, you're just going to want to type in your password like so. Then you just want to enter the card number on the non-Chinese card right here. You just want to enter it, whatever it is, and actually then select the bank. Then from here, what you want to do is you actually want to select the card type. Now, you want to click on the Select Bank Card option, and it's going to bring you to this page right here. And as you can see, these are a ton of banks. But if you don't want to use a Chinese bank, as you can see, there's a ton of options. You just want to search for the bank that you use. In this case, I use American Express. This is not a Chinese card. That is my bank card. Then you just click on the next option and actually enter in the month/year of this card and actually enter in the 4 digits. And then it's basically going to ask if you agree to the terms and if you really want to add your card, and you just want to say yes. Once you've actually added your card, as you can see, I'm still on the Me and then the Services option. You just click on Money, and as you can see, this is where the QR code will show up and you can scan it and pay for stuff on WeChat.